Hey, Kyle, what's wrong with this?
Did it break? Here, give it to me. These hands can do magic. You'll see.
This thing is too old. I guess I gotta go shopping.
Hey, Sarah, is something wrong?
I gotta go buy a whisking machine. In the meantime, just make sure no one touches my new robot vacuum and my dress. Now, tell me what is off limits. Robot vacuum and dress. Understood?
But wait! I need to make a delivery.
To the rescue! Just follow me, Nana! Commander Nanaping, seems like we get an obstacle. Okie dokie. No problem, Nana. Let's beat it. Let us march on, Nana.
Guys, what are you doing? Stop it. You know Sarah really loves this new robot vacuum.
If it breaks, you'll be in so much trouble, Chew.
I'm off to delivery, so please stay still, okay? Bye.
But it was so much fun. I wanted to keep playing. Guys, look over there! Okie dokie! An emergency, Nana! Hey, is it broken, Handy?
Whew! Finally fixed it.
Don't worry about it. I'll fix it, Handy.
What's wrong, Heartsping?
I'm really not sure. It's nothing too.
We're done. Let's go back now, Heartsping.
Is that broken? Don't worry, I'll fix it, Handy.
Hey, watch it!
This is really suspicious, too.
Jeez, watch your driving, lady. Who taught you to drive? Your nana?
I've already fixed everything here. Everyone must be happy. I'm so proud, Handy. Leave everything to me. Handy? Hip.
You should maybe go to Romi.
I'm sure. There must be something broken there. I'll fix it, Handy. Looks like those two are having a hard time because of a broken item. It's okay, I'm gonna help them, Handy. Fix, I'll fix it all.
Oh, it's working again now. What a relief. Kyle, look, it's working.
How did you fix it?
Oh, something's wrong. I can't stop it.
It is completely broken, Nana. We're in serious trouble. What do we do now, True? Romi's gonna be so mad. Hey, do you need my help, Handy? You're HANDYPING? Don't you move, Nana! Stop it! HANDYPING, do you think you can repair this, True? Of Of course I can! There's absolutely nothing I can't repair, Handy! We got no option. Please repair it, Nana. All right! This is easy peasy! Handy! Fix, fix, fix it all!
Starting the cleaning mode.
It's working! We're safe! Okie dokie! You got other things to repair? Just gotta say the word, Handy!
But, look, guys. I think there's something wrong, True.
Starting.
Don't worry about it! I can always repair it again, you know? Fix, fix, fix it all! Oh, no, that's so scary. Okie dokie. It's okay, Handy. It's coming towards us, It's too fast, okie dokie. This is very strange. Run, Handy. Watch out, Handy.
Hey, I dare you to eat this! I can't believe it really ate it, True.
Why is it chasing us, Nana? Hey, guys, over here!
Starting intensive cleaning mode now.
You can't come up here. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix this robot. HANDYPING, watch out! Handy! Did I fix it? That didn't work! Snowball of peace!
Starting the super intensive cleaning mode now.
It's so strong, it will suck us all in, True. Okie dokie, being hanging there, Handy. Everyone hold on to me, Nana. I got you. I can't hold it much longer, Nana!
Hey guys, where are the... What's going on?
Help us, Romi! Okie dokie! HANDYPING, what kind of magic did you cast, True? I'm sorry! Handy!
In this case, I'll have to use magic too.
Open, change face!
Love blooming, heart spring time!
Princess Flora Heart of Love for your dear heart! Pretty, pretty, Magical Bora! I don't know about you, but I'm too tired to escape now.
I knew it. Something weird was going on earlier. You were behind it all. Now, you will come with us.
Pitty pitty, catch ring! Into the Mystic Cube! Teenieping, HANDYPING, catch! I swear I was just trying to fix what was broken. That was so close, Nana. That's not the problem. If Sarah finds this out too...
Romi, do you guys behave while... Huh? You did it. Even with all that warning. Seriously!
We're sorry, okie dokie!
Yeah, we promise we will clean all this up, Drew.
Everyone, stop right there!